It's day 30. Wow, we made it. You did it. We are at day 30 of our 30 Days to Greater Self-Love Masterclass series and challenge. What an awesome time it has been as we've nailed down day after day these habits that will lead to greater self-love. Today, for day 30, your challenge is, we're still going to be doing some work. We're not quite done yet. Your challenge is to do something kind for someone else, but keep it a secret. This can be a whole lot of fun as you serve someone else and do so anonymously. You will feel a tremendous amount of goodness about yourself. You will thoroughly enjoy it as you serve that person. Now, there are so many things that you can do. You may do some grocery shopping and have it delivered to that person with a little note saying from a good friend. Or if you live in an area where there is snow, when it's snowing time, you may shovel their driveway when they are out, and they will never know who actually did it. They'll probably suspect it's one of the neighbors, right? Yeah, you can do that. You may just get a card, maybe do a nice handmade card and write some special words of kindness and appreciation for that person and send it off. You can get a gift voucher for a day at the spa or a gift card and send it to that person. So many different things that you can do. But this will really cause you to feel good about yourself. So why don't you identify a target, find someone that you can bless and thoroughly enjoy the thrill that comes to you from serving someone in that way. It's a tremendous little activity that will really cause you to feel good about yourself, and of course that will help your self-esteem, your sense of satisfaction with yourself, and ultimately it will generate a greater sense of self-love. So pick someone, pick an act of kindness, and just bless someone, cause someone's day to be brighter today. Shall you? Go for it. This is Coach TJ once again, helping you to be all that you can and should be, helping you make that vertical leap from mediocrity to legacy.